Property Drone. I am Manika and today we are at one of Pune's biggest launches, Godrej Park World in Hinjawadi Phase 1. This is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle wrapped in greenery, luxury and unmatched Godrej craftsmanship. This project is redefining what a premium residential community looks like. Godrej Park World, set in the heart of Hinjawadi Phase 1, spread across a thoughtfully planned layout which brings nature, recreation and convenience all together. Here's what makes it special. Over 12 acres of central green spaces and landscape playgrounds. A bustling high street plaza for everyday essentials. 2 grand clubhouses totaling 32,000 square feet. And also premium sports facilities and wellness zones. The apartment configurations here include 3 BHK opulent 1255 square feet, 3 BHK regal 1201 square feet and 2 BHK magnificent 944 square. This community is packed with lifestyle features that keeps you active, pampered and entertained. Temperature controlled indoor swimming pool for a year-round comfort. Infinity edge outdoor pool with panoramic views. Double height indoor badminton court and a squash court for sports lovers. Business center for those who work from home. Jogging tracks, skating rinks and kids play areas and much more. Whether it's fitness, leisure or entertainment, you will have it right outside your doorstep. Alright, let's step inside this 3 BHK home by Godrej Park World and experience how living here feels like. Here at the entrance, we have this digital security door lock system and a door phone. So let's enter this 3 BHK apartment home. A spacious foyer here is perfect for creating a functional yet elegant welcome zone. Now let me walk you through the living room. The living room is open and airy. With large windows, it floods the room with natural light. There's an ample room for a full sofa set and an entertainment wall. Here we have our full width balcony which extends our living outdoor spaces. This is a running balcony which also connects to your bedroom. Here we have our dining area, which is seamlessly connected to the living zone, making it perfect for hosting family dinners. So now let's check out our kitchen area. The kitchen is efficiently designed and here's the best part. Spot bookings come with a modular kitchen, hob and chimney pre-installed. There's ample counter space, overhead storage, and utility area, which is perfect for your laundry and extra storage. Now let me walk you through the first bedroom. This room is ideal for a guest room and can be used as a study space. The large windows here ensures that it's bright all day. On the opposite side, we have this common washroom. This washroom is equipped with a vanity counter, anti-skip tiles and premium fittings. Now let's walk you through our second bedroom. The second bedroom works beautifully as a kid's room, which has ample of space for a queen-size bed and wardrobes. We also have an attached balcony, which is a running balcony which connects us to the living room. The balcony also has stainless steel railings and toughened glass. Now let's have a look at this attached washroom. This washroom has a spacious vanity counter with anti-skid tiles and premium fittings by Kohler. Now let's have a look at the master bedroom. It is spacious enough to fit a king-sized bed, 2 side tables, a dressing table, and still have a room to move. We also have an attached balcony which is spacious and you can enjoy your everyday greenery view from here. With beautiful wooden flooring, stainless steel frames, and toughened glass railings. Ensuring your safety, we have the stainless steel railings and toughened glass. On this side, we have our attached washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, premium fittings by Kohler, a spacious vanity counter, and a separate shower area. If you can already picture yourself living here, now it's the best time to take advantage of the launch offers. I am Manika and this is Property Drone. Until then, keep dreaming big and living better.